take like morning light that finds the leaves away. You're the quiet pulse beneath the sound, the calm I reach when the world spins round. Like a flower bending toward the dawn, smiling softly to